Hey there! Today we're diving into a hot topic. Is the keto diet the secret to postmenopausal health? Let's break it down. First off, what exactly is the keto diet? Keto, short for ketogenic, is a high-fat, low-carb diet designed to put your body into a state called ketosis. When you're in ketosis, your body switches from burning carbs for energy to burning fat. Sounds interesting, right? Now let's talk about postmenopausal women. Menopause brings a lot of changes. Hormonal shifts, weight gain, and slower metabolism are just a few. You might find it tougher to lose weight or keep your energy levels up. So can keto help with these changes? Well, some research suggests that the keto diet can help stabilize blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. This is crucial for postmenopausal women because fluctuating blood sugar can lead to weight gain and fatigue. By reducing carbs and increasing healthy fats, keto aims to keep your energy steady and curb those sugar cravings. But there's more. The keto diet is also known for its anti-inflammatory benefits. Inflammation is linked to many chronic conditions that become more common as we age, like heart disease and arthritis. Keto's emphasis on healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil can support heart health and reduce inflammation. Now you might be wondering, are there any downsides? Like any diet, keto isn't for everyone. Some women may experience keto flu, a temporary set of symptoms like fatigue, headache, and irritability as your body adjusts. Plus, maintaining such a low-carb lifestyle can be challenging, especially if you love your bread and pasta. So, is keto the secret to postmenopausal health? It could be, but it's important to approach it with caution. Always consult with a healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet. They can help you decide if keto is right for your specific needs and guide you on how to implement it safely. Remember, the best diet is the one that you can stick to, and that makes you feel your best. Whether it's keto, Mediterranean, or just balanced eating, the key is to listen to your body and nourish it well. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Take care and see you next time.